sa pikas bahin mga kagilaan, magbuting ang sinetron ha, o unsa ba ang impeachment mga higala ilabang butuhan niya mutuo sa Supreme Court o dili ba? Ang akong take ani kinahanglan ang mga senador nga mga magbabalaod mutahod sa Supreme Court.
Straight to the point.
Why lain mga higalang korte, why laing institusyon nga mo interpret sa balaod sa Supreme Court na. Ang mag labaw pa ning ato hinuong mga kwan. Si Martin inyong paminahon. Managlahi man og moral foundation si Martin og mga congressmen with due respect sa ubang mga tarong og ang mga justices sa Supreme Court. Kaya mo na si Martin mahigala congressman na, district representative, district congressman na speaker of the house, district congressman. Ang asawa party list congressman. Ang anak pod congressman sad. Silang tulo. Okay ka lang? Manya mo sa man mo siya mo sakto unsa iyang sulti sa mo insakto ang Supreme Court mo di? Naon sa ning kalakiya. So, si Francisco, Attorney Francisco ni sulti gyud. Kining kanunay nga ikot mga kaso Francisco versus House of Representatives. Nisulti gyud nga sakto ang Supreme Court. Ato sa pabati may gala ikot ko ni kay interview ni Sis Drilon, ha? Bebe, ato sa paminahon be si kwan kay sayang masag kayo nga magbuting labang sinetron. Bebe, asa man to dong? Gamay lang dong nya before ta mo tapos dong. Nana? Be, asa man si Attorney Francisco be, nato diha? Okay, gamay lang kayo mga kagilaan. Sige ko no. Naara dong names? Okay, gamay lang kayo may gala kay giandam pa man ni ron, ha? Pero ang atong donation mga kagilaan iabot na tag 68,029 pesos alang mga higala sa atong mananagat nga kinini ang nakuan in town. Na kasadong kay nasulti pa ko dong. Okay. Sige, kaya ito mananagat mahigala nga naigo sa kilat. Arita mga higala sa kang attorney konbe, Francisco mga kagilan nga interview si Drilon, mao ni ang Francisco case nga kanunay nitong i-quote mahigala landmark case ni. Medyo tiguang na ni si Attorney Francisco man gahapon pa ni tingog. May na lang pagtingog ni Attorney Francisco tanawa. Mao lagi gyud, parehas to maruganan lagi kay. Why lain? Kanang Doctrine Supreme Court sakto na. Dato pa binawon ha. Sige kuno, play dong, play.
Speak to the veteran constitutional litigator now. Welcome to the big story, Attorney Ernesto Francisco Jr.
Yeah, good evening, sirs, ladies. Good evening.
Thank you. It's been a while that we've seen you in the public eye, attorney. Now, what can you say about the Supreme Court decision on VP Sara's impeachment?
I have read the decision several times, sis, and I am very convinced that it is correct. It is correct because what the Supreme Court did was just to address a grave abuse of discretion on the part of the House.
Straight to the point.
Is that the House of Representatives did not comply with the constitutional one-year bar rule and violated the Supreme Court decision in the Francisco ruling. What the House of Representatives should have done is that after the first impeachment complaint was filed, then the House should have acted right away on it immediately by including it in the order of business, and the House thereafter should have referred it right away to the Committee on Justice. That was not done. It's in the House rules on impeachment that it should be done, but that was not done. So the Supreme Court, it's the duty of the Supreme Court, it's the constitutional duty of the Supreme Court to determine if there has been grave abuse of discretion on the part of the House of Representatives and to correct it. And here, there's a clear grave abuse of discretion on the part of the House of Representatives. This is not a question of the House following the Francisco ruling. The House did not follow the Francisco ruling and violated the constitutional provision on the one-year bar rule.
All right. Let's go back to the Francisco doctrine, which was initiated in a way which is exemplified by yourself. It pinpoints the initiation of an impeachment complaint when it is referred to the Justice Committee, correct? correct, attorney?
Yes,
Yes.
filing and referral to the Justice Committee.
Right. But in this case, we heard the speaker say that there was no action on it, and they were archived after the approval by 1/3 vote of the House of Representatives on the 4th complaint. Why
So,
is
but-
that? What was the where did the initiations begin in this particular case referring to VP Sara?
That's the violation says, because in the Constitution says that the House should have acted immediately even on an impeachment complaint filed by a citizen. That's very important to us because that's the only power given to us citizens to file an impeachment complaint. The House, the Speaker, the Secretary General do not have any discretion to sit on these 3 impeachment complaints. They should have followed the Constitution. They should have followed the Francisco ruling, which is in the House Rules on Impeachment. If you look at page 1 of the House Rules on Impeachment, the Francisco ruling is quoted there in the footnote.
But should this be applied then prospectively? Because they say that they were just following the Francisco precedent, the rules set by the Supreme Court in your case, in the case that you had filed.
But the problem says is that they did not follow it. They deliberately avoided the Francisco ruling by sitting on the first 3 impeachment complaints. And they waited for the 4th impeachment complaint.
Okay, cut dong. Tara, explain na ito ng Francisco. ang tag-iyas kaso, kining Francisco ruling. Sila may wa mo sunod sa Francisco ruling because ilang gilingkuran ang tulo ka impeachment complaints. Gilingkuran. So, minaldito ila ba? Kaya ang pagdagan sa adlaw, filing and referral sa Committee on Justice, sugod nagdagan. Ang ilang gihimo, aron di mo dagan ang adlaw, gilingkuran. Diha na, ila may ilang gituyo, deliberate, nga dili sa musunod sa Francisco ruling. Attorney Francisco sa saktong Supreme Court.
Straight to the
Pero tungod
point.
kaya, pikir naman ta sa oras, ugma na ta magtiwas ha. Atong gitiwas og discuss ugma kay magbuting namang sinetron. Anya atong panghinaot nga mo follow nang sa usay, rule of law lang ta. Rule of law lang. Kinsa mahigalay mga senador niha, kato inyo mga kailatiksi sila nga mosunod na kita sa balaod. O niya mosunod na kita mahigala sa kining unsay tarong o kining Supreme Court ruling baliko nako kabasa ko ani 97 pages nindot nga pagkasuwat sakto ang Supreme Court o karon ang ilado nga constitutionalist Attorney Francisco nga maoy nagdain ning kasuha nga landmark case Francisco case isiya to naingon siya ang Supreme Court sakto. So mga kagalaan nga inaot punta nga atong mga senador nga mga magbabalaod mutuman sila. Kay lisod man kayo may galang mga magbabalaod, may unang di mo sunod sa balaod, how can we expect the ordinary citizen to also follow the law if that is the case? Gani mga leaders na to din ha, wa magani mo sunod, ang uban pahay noon. So bati kayong paminawon mga higala. Dili na to o kayo ng atong nasod, di ta gusto dunay chaos mga higalang mahitabo, ang ato ang hapsay, kay ato ning nasod, atong mahalon ang atong nasod. Ay lamog tuo ng uban nga hala, bahalag magkagubot, bahalag dunay constitutional crisis. Bida. O tinuutan nagmahal sa atong country, atong siguroon nga padayon nga mulambo ang atong nasod, dili ta magsigig kagubot, mo focus ta mahigala sa trabaho, aron nga mulambo ta, dili kay magsigig lang tag-away mga higala.
Komentarista na walang kinatatakutan sa ngalan ng katotohanan. Attorney Rufil Fernandez Banyog sa Straight to the Point.
Number 1!